In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy an app with Emergent AI. We'll walk through the deployment process from inside the Emergent AI platform, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along step by step. If your app is already built and your project is set up, you're just a few clicks away from getting it deployed. To begin, go to Emergent AI and sign in so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, head to the home area where your available projects are listed. This is where you'll manage the app you want to publish. Next, open your project dashboard. Make sure you select the correct project before moving forward, especially if you're working on more than one app. The dashboard is the main control center for your project, and this is where you'll find the deployment tools. After that, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the blue deploy button. This opens the deployment flow and starts the process of preparing your app for release. If you don't see the button right away, take a second to confirm that you're on the correct project page and not just the general home screen. Once the deployment window appears, select your target deployment environment. This is an important choice because it determines where your app will be deployed. Depending on how your workflow is set up, you may see options for development, staging, or production. Choose the environment that matches your goal. For example, if you're testing changes, a staging environment may be the safer option, while production is typically used for your live app. From there, configure your environment variables. This step is essential because many apps rely on variables to connect to services, define runtime settings, or manage features across different environments. Be careful when entering these values and double check them for accuracy. Since environment variables often contain sensitive information, make sure they're handled securely and only added in the appropriate fields within the platform. When everything looks correct, click Start Deployment. This tells Emergent AI to begin building and deploying your application using the settings you just selected. Depending on your app and environment, this may take a little time, so give it a moment to finish. Once the deployment starts, keep an eye on the status if the platform provides progress updates. If anything fails, it's usually worth reviewing the environment selection and variable configuration first, since those are common causes of deployment issues. And that's it. That's how to deploy an app with Emergent AI, from opening your project dashboard all the way to starting the deployment.